Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Justin Namere Nsubuga here, Mamito wa Papito, Woman MP Masaka City and Minister of State for Local Government. I am extremely repulsed by the act of some people that are ganging up against a young lady, Benittah, because of her political opinions. Political opinions are a constitutional right. Many of you, NOP supporters, came out clearly and said President Museveni will not swear in. Benittah, on the other side, came out and said, according to her, President will actually swear in, and he actually swore in. You wake up every day to say all the dirtiest trash about leaders in NRM, starting with the President, to his family, to other leaders, to myself. Who gives you the permission to do that? Just like nobody gives you permission to trash whoever you want. Benittah did not need your permission to give her political opinion. Benittah is a jolly good fellow. She wakes up every day to do her simple social videos and then gets to her work. Why are you trying to destroy this young girl just because of a political statement? Who tells you that everybody must reason like you? I decry, I despise what you're doing. And I want to assure Benittah that she's safe. I didn't know about this because we're in the field, and districts we're in right now were special assignments by His Excellency the President. So at night, after I had been reading through my legal material, I was told by my team, some members of my team, that this is what Benittah is going through. Then I went through the phone and people were looking for me to assist her. I want to empathize with her employers, and I want to assure you that all that junk that is being plastered on your accounts is actually false. It's meant to blackmail Benittah, and the people that are doing it, that's their style, that's their modus, even here in Uganda. Their line of work is blackmail. And Benittah, do not be cowed by political cowards. Thank you for refusing to be their victim. Yes, you're nobody's victim, Benittah. Don't be their victim. They are losers. They are sour, lost losers. Do not ever allow to be their victim. I want to assure you that we stand with you. I have asked my manager, my bank manager, to wire $10,000 to you. You can even take a sabbatical. I don't know how much you are being paid, but you can even take a sabbatical if you wish. Don't. We are not going to allow politics of cowardice. We're not going to allow politics that forcefully squeezes voices of young ladies like those. In my way, I will make sure His Excellency the President gets to know about this. So I don't want you to feel alone. I thank the people that have stood with you. I thank Generations. I thank my team members like Sean, who made sure I know about this. So I want you to understand that we are with you, Benittah. But please, make sure you have a sit down with your employers. Even if they want to dismiss you, let it be peaceful. Many of us are not employed where we started from. I started from NTV. Today I'm an MP and minister. You will get another job in case they dismiss you. But what we ask of them kindly is to understand you and to understand that all those narratives are false and meant to blackmail you. We are willing to come in and help. We are willing to give official statements if they need them. And please, we are going to use the iron hand of the law to deal with the people that are trying to mess up another person's business because you're trying to blackmail Benittah. We shall not accept that. It's unacceptable. It's unacceptable in the United Arab Emirates. It's unacceptable in Uganda.